Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have an unboxing here. This box, this watch was lent in by Jack Mason by way of Hector over at Winding Crowns. I'll leave a link to his channel. Using the wrong blade there, sorry. I'll leave a link to Hector's channel, and also there will be a link, a code down below for 25% off, and also a link to a website where you can pre-order this watch. It's the Canton Day Date Automatic, and the pre-order is a YouTube exclusive, so that's cool. Maybe I'll pause this, maybe not. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to open this up off to the side. My shipping label is on here, so let's just open it up right here. There you go, outer box, inner box. So the price for this, I think it was $549. It is $549 on their website. With the 25% off, it should be $411, and I think it was 75 cents, something like that. So I'll leave that, like I said, in the description below. Okay, so there's some information here. I don't know if you can scan a QR code from your screen or not, but there it is. So let's zoom in. Take a look at this watch. Yeah, this thing's cool looking. It has a plastic on it or not. Okay, let's wipe it down with some microfiber cloth. It kind of reminds me of maybe a Tissot Gentleman a little bit. I don't know, let me know what you guys think of this watch. So it looks like a push-pull crown. It's not screwed down. Let's get it wound up. So a day-date automatic. I don't know if that's 6 or 8 beats per second. It does have the negative end link, so that's nice for smaller wrists like mine. I didn't look at the website too much, but I think it said it was 40mm diameter. So it looks like a Miyota movement in here. It's not the 9000 series, it's probably 8000 series. Let's read the information on the case back here. So JM must be for Jack Mason, sapphire crystal, which is good. So it's a screwed end case back. There again, Jack Mason there. All stainless steel, 10 ATM, water resistance, 100 meter is perfectly fine, especially for a watch, a dress watch like this. Looks to have quick release end links, solid bracelet links, and butterfly clasp here, obviously. So yeah, let's get this on wrist, and I'll follow up this video probably about a week from now with the full presentation video. So mixture of brushed and polished surfaces here. Brushed center links, polished center links, brushed outer links. And let's see, are these screw pins or split pins? Look to be split pins, which is perfectly fine. Should be nice and easy to size. So let's zoom back out here and get it on my wrist. Should work well on my 6.5 inch wrist here. I don't know if you can see the dial, but it has looks like a Fume sunburst dial. It looks like it's lighter in the middle and darker on the edges, but it could just be an optical illusion. It's kind of a neat looking dial here. Let's see, is that a hacking movement or not? You know what, let me zoom out and I'll check out the movement. I'm curious if it's hacking. It is hand winding. Obviously, I just hand wound it. We'll zoom back in here and I'll show it next to my SKX, and then I'll pull out that crown and see if the second hand stops. So yeah, it's a good sized watch here. Not too big, not too small. Okay, so second hand did not stop, so it's not a hacking movement. Not a big deal to me. I know some folks like the hacking movement, but it doesn't really matter to me. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It really helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.